Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of PostgreSQL. Today I will teach you about comments and we will learn about some of the expressions in the PostgreSQL. So first of all, we're going to talk about comments. Adding comments in SQL. Comments are basically added to show the functionality or basically tell the user that what we are doing at the current moment. So first of all, we will be opening the database, our test database that we created, and we will click on the SQL button above. So comment in a SQL is given by double dash, that is dash dash, and we can see this is a comment. Now as you could see that this has turned out to be green, so this has successfully been a comment now. So if you see that I will put another statement, that is select star from company. That was our table that we created. Now if you see, it will fetch me some results. See, I have got some results here. Now to comment this out, I will just add a double dash in front of it. Now you could see if I run it, I see empty query, no results. So this is successfully commented out. So we could see the power of comments, so that we could describe that this is a select statement. So you could see that it gives an idea to the user that I'm going to work with a select command. So the next method that you could add comment is the normal programming method, that is slash star, and you could write this is a comment. So as you could see, again it is green. So yeah, this is one more method to add comments. This is basically used to add multi-line comments when we don't want to use double slash in each and every line. So if you're using multiple lines, suppose, you could see that it is difficult to enter dash in each and every line, so we just use this backslash star backslash, and this is commented out. So the second thing that we're going to learn about today is the expressions. An expression is basically a combination of one or more values, operators, and PostgreSQL functions that are used to evaluate a particular value. So the first expression that we're going to talk about is the as expression. So the as expression is basically used to rename a particular field. Like suppose if I use select name from company, and you see that I get name as the column heading of this. Now suppose I don't want name to be the column heading of this particular result set, I would be using the as operator, that is select name as employee underscore name. Suppose I don't want name, I want it to be employee name instead of name, so I will just use this, and you see that I get it gets replaced by employee name. So this is the use of the as operator. The next operator that we're going to talk about is the count operator. So the count operator is basically used to count the number of fields in a particular data set. Now suppose if I use select count star star from company. Now this will result into the count of the number of employees I have, that is 8, as you could see. So this is the use of the count expression, and star means to calculate the distinct values from the data set. Similarly, we have a maximum, minimum, sum and average function. So basically the use of maximum is to give out the maximum value in a particular data set. Now suppose I want the maximum age of an employee working in my company, so I will use select max age from company. This will give me the maximum age of the employee. You see I have the maximum age as 40. So next would be the minimum age. You could just replace min by max. This would give me the minimum age. This is 12. Now suppose I want the sum of all the salaries of employees working in my company. Now I will use select sum, and bracket I will use salary. See, this will give me the salary of all the employees working in my company, that is select salary from company. Now as you could see that I get all the summation of the salaries in my company. So the next is average operator that will give me the average of the values, that is select avg salary from company. Now you will see that this will give me the average salary in my company, that would be C. This gives me the average salary. So the last operator that we need to talk about in this tutorial is the timestamp or the current time. Like if you want to put something like if we have a photo that user has uploaded, we want the time and the date of the photo, so we could timestamp it. So you could just do it by select current underscore timestamp. This will give me the current timestamp. See, this is 2016 6 10, and the current time with the time zone. So thank you for watching this tutorial. We will be discussing more functions in the coming tutorials. Subscribe for more and stay tuned.